The 2012 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, airbags, 2-ton jack, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, Secure-Lock anti-theft ignition, PATS, power door locks with auto-lock feature, overhead console, interval wipers, cargo area light, scuff plates, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, rear wheel drive, dual note horn, split bench seat, cup holders, removable locking tailgate, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.